And here comes one of our first vessels end of the day on approach. Let's see how it goes. Oh, that one's gonna hurt. Our crew's getting off on the dock, but I gotta imagine, yeah, Wifey's taking a look to see what the damage is, and we know Cap's gonna head over there and take a look too, and you guys probably got a little work ahead of you trying to get that scratch out. And speaking of work, have you ever thought it'd be fun to work in social media? Do you enjoy being outside and like being around and meeting new people? Well, here at the Wavy Guru crew, we're actually hiring right now. We've got multiple part-time positions available in the Miami area, Boynton Beach area, and Sarasota. You gotta be available on the weekends and hopefully have a car. But if you don't live in those areas, shoot your shot. If you live in an area where you think there's a boat ramp, a canal, or an inlet that we should be filming and we're not currently filming, email me as well, because we are looking to film outside of the areas we mentioned also. So if you'd like to be part of that expansion, email me as well. All of our crew members make over $25 an hour and it's a fun work environment. Hit me up at broncosguru1@gmail.com. And our crew really struggled getting the truck back down here. Let's see how they fare trying to load the boat. Cap's getting it lined up. And we're definitely a little sideways on the trailer. Cap's gonna have to bring this one around. But Wifey's holding the line on the backside, and that's not really helping, because if he tries to pull the stern around to line it up, she's just tugging back on the line. Our guy's walking up to the front, and this is an interesting approach to it for sure, but Wifey's still holding the line. He's still gonna have a tough time getting that over. And here she pulls, kind of counterintuitive to what he's trying to do. And Cap notices it. Yeah, give me the line. There we go. Light bulb. And now Cap's gonna try and power it on.
Ok, que faço?
And he brings it up. Now we just got to finish it off.
Levanta, aprieta, chico, que está en agua ahí. Soda.
But I don't understand here. So Cap has to go to the bow to do this. But our guy who's sitting on the dock probably could have walked down there and done this pretty easily. But instead, we'll hang off the bow of the boat. And after a few minutes, our crew looks like they're just about ready to pull. What is going on here in the background? We've got somebody, they're coming in a little hot up top. Bro, brakes, you're gonna hit the concrete. They get the brakes on last second. Oh no, we're still going forward. Oh, they gotta have some kind of mechanical error. So Cap's able to get it back into reverse and try and line it back up. It looked like, it just looked funky because it looked like it had to be a mechanical of some kind. It looked like they were struggling with the shifter. But it appears to be working right now. And our boys here should be almost done and be about out of here. And our crew is coming in all kinds of wonky. Look out, rocks incoming. Oh, these rocks extend a few feet beyond what you see here. He's got his motor trimmed, so they might miss it. But I've watched several people get stuck on, there's like one boulder over there, and it looks like they've just missed it. But let's see how their approach looks after the kind of unique entrance. Calling their shot like Babe Ruth, like we're gonna bring it in like a pro. Coming in a little hot. But my man jumps off the bow. Cap takes his hands from the wheels. And like Babe Ruth, they did call their shot. And here comes our boy Cap. We see him just about every other weekend down here at Boynton. And he's in on approach, and it's always interesting to watch him bring it in. Coming in kind of hot today, too. I don't know what's going on. Second crew in a row that's coming in a little bit fast. Is he going to brake check it? He brake checks it right there at the end, but man, he came in hot. Usually we don't see him come in that hot. He usually takes that more slow roll approach. And here we go. We got the ladies behind the helm today, trying to bring it home. Got a good approach. My man is off on the dock like a glove. Lands it easy. Gets a little smack there at the end, but nothing too crazy. And hubby will tie it up to finish it off. Used to saying wifey's got it. I mean, it's a different role reversal here a little bit. But wifey handles it like a pro.
Cameraman, but keep smashing that like button. It keeps me in a job.
Keep me going during the week.
Yes,
Hey,
sir.
how's it going, cameraman?
What's up?
Hell yeah, we're professionals.
So was the last guy.
I'm a professional at drinking. Don't try this at home. Oh, I'm about to fall off the boat. Give me something to really record.
It's like a 9-2. Good job, Cap.
How's it going, man?
Another day in paradise. How was the bite?
Dude, it was actually pretty good. We got a couple yellowtail. And the amberjack, I never ate one, so we kept one. It's legal size.
Oh no, they're good, man.
I really ate one.
Yeah. Better than
I was trying to get on some golf. I was trying to go for
you guys were spearing.
Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we got Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.